What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. It often tells us place, time, direction, movement, or manner. Dear students, look at the examples. Number 1. The book is on the table. Here, in this sentence, the preposition is on. It shows place. Look at example number 2. She arrived at 8 o'clock. Here, the preposition is at and it shows time. Example number 3. The cat is under the chair. In this sentence, the preposition is under and it shows place. Example number 4. We walked through the park. In this sentence, the preposition is through and it shows movement. Example number 5. The picture is on the wall. The preposition in this sentence is on and it shows place. Example number 6. The ball is in the box. In this sentence, the preposition is in and it shows place. Example number 7. The school is near the hospital. In this sentence, the preposition is near and it shows place. Example number 8. The dog is behind the gate. In this sentence, the preposition is behind and it shows place. Example number 9. Shravan is standing between Hari and Gopal. In this sentence, the preposition is between and it shows position. Example number 10. My birthday is on 15th August. In this sentence, the preposition is on and it shows date. Now, dear students, I will show you the picture and make you understand the meaning of the sentences using preposition. The book is on the table. Look at the book. The book is on the table. Here, she arrived at 8 o'clock. The cat is under the chair. We walked through the park. The picture is on the wall. The ball is in the box. The school is near the hospital. The dog is behind the gate. Shravan is standing between Hari and Gopal. My birthday is on 15th August. In other words, dear students, a preposition is a word that shows the position, time, direction, or relationship of a noun or pronoun with another word in a sentence. I hope, dear students, you understood the meaning of a preposition and got some idea on how to use the preposition in a sentence. Here is a worksheet for you, dear students. You have to give the answer in the comment box. And dear students, if the video was educative, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.